Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and then select power off. When the device turns off, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down. And there we go, we are now in bootloader. So from here, you can obviously let go of the buttons that we're holding, and using volume buttons to navigate, you want to select recovery mode. There we go, and confirm it using your power button. Now, before we get to recovery mode, we will need to get past the no command screen, and to do so, hold the power button and press volume up once, and this will redirect us to the recovery mode. From here, using volume buttons, select Fastboot mode, and then confirm it with the power button. This will now take us to the Fastboot mode. And just like before, you can navigate using your volume buttons, and using power button you can confirm whatever is selected. Now in here we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Enter recovery mode, which will take us back to the previous screen. Reboot to bootloader, which will take us to the first screen we've seen after turning off the device, and we also have the power off option. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it, and this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.